A people who walked in darkness awakened to see a great light. The people who dwelt in the land of the shadow rise to a star shining bright. His name is Wonderful Counselor, Almighty God, Father forever, Prince of Peace. Wonderful Counselor, Almighty God, Father forever, Prince of Peace. For God has enlarged the nation and prospered the fruit of its land. God's people are blessed with a harvest of victory, gift from a bountiful hand. His name